something adventurous would happen.
I know.
What's that noise? You hear something?
What?
It sounds like there's a tornado. It sounds like there's a tornado right behind us. Is there a tornado right behind us?
Why is there is a tornado right behind us?
Oh! There is a tornado!
Oh my God!
Right there!
That's right! It's just sitting there!
What is it doing? There's a tornado right there! We should do something. It's just sitting right. Look at it! It's incredible! What do we do? We should do something. Let's destroy it. Let's. That did nothing! Watch out, buddy. Watch this. Oh my God! It did nothing! Alright, you try, you gotta do something. Okay. Jason, seriously. Alright, get back. I'm gonna try again. I'm gonna use all my power this time. Stay back, Jason, I got this! Stay back, Jason! They got me there, what's that? I think I got it! Jason, no!